from Green Advisor. Starting a new project today in LA. Cutting up the fence, extending, building a wall. 2 sections, 4 feet wall and 4 feet wood. We're gonna extend it and create a sitting area in the side yard of the Giffords. By the way, we already did the backyard. Now it's section 2. Good morning everyone, here in LA. Starting a beautiful project, side yard. Day 2, demolition of the side yard. Yesterday we demoed the fence. This is our guys working. A little bit of a mess, but it's gonna be beautiful as always. Hey, it's us again from Green Advisor. We're moving forward to the side yard project. Doing the digging today for the footing, for the wall. Everything looks good. Hello everyone, again Shai, Green Advisor, the side yard project for Melanie and Adam in LA. We're continuing. Today we started doing the block wall. It's gonna be 4 feet, and after that we're gonna do another 4 feet of wood with a beautiful, gorgeous finishing. Here we're gonna have the gate. Hello everyone, Shai from Green Advisor. Continue the beautiful side project in the Giffords house. We finished the wall. Now we're doing the frame, and in a few more days we're gonna have something beautiful inside. Green Advisor in the Giffords house in LA. Are you a happy customer?
Very happy.
Yeah? From what? The side yard, the backyard, the AC, the insulation, what? Everything? Okay. Middle of the project. That's the inside. Hey, it's Shai from Green Advisor here in LA. Continuing the side yard project of the Giffords. We finished the first section, which is the fence and a small block wall. Now we're continuing to do the inside. We're gonna have pavers, fire pit, and stairs.